Leora, do you have any idea what you're doing?
Not a clue. Installing alarms isn't rocket science, but it might feel like that. Luckily, we're here to show you how it's done. We bring you the world of electronic security straight to your door, giving you access to some of the world's most trusted names in electronic security, like Bosch, Hills, Dahua CCTV, Aiphone, Elvox, and many others. When you subscribe to our channel, you'll get access to all of our videos showing new products, updates, programming and installation tutorials, and the latest in electronic security. If you want to buy any of these products, jump onto our website and you'll find all the products we talk about in the videos. We've been online for 10 years and installing for 25, so we have a world of experience and knowledge behind us, and we want to share that experience with you. Is there a video you'd like us to make? Leave your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and you'll be installing in no time.